The Bank of Canada increased its interest rate this week. Is this good news or bad news for real estate investors? Hi there, I'm Nawar Naji, a real estate broker in the city of Toronto. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, make sure you click on subscribe and that bell button to get notified of my weekly videos. So the Bank of Canada increased its benchmark rate to 1.75, which means that the new prime rate goes up from 3.7 to 3.95, so an increase of a quarter point. So there's good news and bad news in this increase. The good news, if you're a fixed mortgage holder, there's no change. Your mortgage is not going to be impacted, your cost of borrowing is the same, there's no impact on your cash flow. The bad news, if you're a variable mortgage holder, your payment has gone up. So I'll give you an example. Let's say you have prime minus 0.6. So it was 3.7 minus 0.6, so 3.1, and that has gone up to 3.35, so it's gone up by a quarter point. So for every $100,000 that is amortized over 30 years, that payment goes up by 14 bucks. So if you have a $300,000 mortgage, your variable mortgage has increased by 42 bucks a month. Now, that is bad from a cash flow perspective because now your mortgage payment is higher. But on the flip side, because this is a mortgage for investment purposes, the interest portion is a tax deduction. So there's the good and the bad if you're a variable mortgage holder. However, if you're a fixed mortgage holder, it really doesn't impact you until you renew whenever your mortgage renewal comes up. Now, the other positive out of higher interest rate is that some of these potential buyers will have a hard time qualifying for these mortgages, which will put some of these buyers into the rental market. So now we'll have a higher demand for rentals. We'll have a larger pool of tenants looking for the same number of rental units in the city. And we all know there's a severe shortage of rental housing in the city of Toronto. So by having more demand, this will push rental prices higher. So from a real estate investor perspective, having stronger demand will potentially lead to higher cash flow or higher rental prices, which will improve the cash flow of these rental units and hopefully offset the increase in mortgage payments. Hope you found this video to be beneficial, and please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy investing.